Okay, now it's on. Okay, you gonna dive for it? What are you gonna do?
Maybe I'm gonna dive for it. Yep.
Huh?
Oh.
That was good. Paddle boards are fun, huh?
What?
Those paddle boards are fun.
Yep.
You gonna stand on it or sit on it?
I wish.
Ah!
I wish.
Now,
Down there.
go over there and then turn around and come back. Careful, it'll hit you in the face.
It already did and it didn't hurt.
Oh, okay. Go over there and then turn around. There you go. Turn around. It's like your own private little boat.
Did I do that one where I went underwater and I doggy paddled?
I don't know if I got it on film. You can't hold your nose.
I have to.
Go back over there and jump off the
Top step?
top step. Let me stand up. Okay.
I have to do it on second step because top. Okay, I'll do it on top.
That was cool.